everybody. So here's a quick basic nail tutorial with gel on your natural nails. Alright, so what you'll need is here a tool to clean your nails or push back your cuticles if you would like to, and a nail clipper if you need it, to clip your nails, and a cuticle cutter, okay, if you need to get a hangnail, a glass nail file or a regular nail file, whichever that you have at the moment. And this is the Mia Secret. This is my first time using this. Nail Prep pH Balance and the Extra Bond. It's a dehydrator and a primer, okay? And I have the base and top coat by Beetles, and the gel nail color that I'll be using, I believe is soft champagne or pink champagne, and this is the Palmer's that I'll be using on my hands afterwards, okay? Alright. So here I'm cleaning my nails with the nail tool that I had showed earlier, and I love using this. I forgot where I purchased this from. It was probably from Amazon. I'm not too sure, but yeah. And if you hear the air conditioner in the background, it's hot and I'm not turning it off, so I apologize about that. So you're gonna have to hear that in the background. So yeah, so I apologize. And yeah, so I have not used this before, which is the dehydrator by Mia Secret. I purchased this from Amazon. It's my first time using it, so we shall see what happens. And this is basically to help the gel adhere to the nails better and make them last longer. And I've been doing a lot of research on it on YouTube University to see what is going on. And basically I saw a lot of good reviews on it, so I was like, let me just try it and see what happens, and maybe I'll do a review on it, okay? So this is my first time using it, so we shall see. So I'm basically applying this before I apply my base gel, and I'm also going to apply the primer as well. You will see that as well. So I applied the dehydrator first, then the primer. I wasn't sure which one to apply first, but you do the dehydrator first because it basically have alcohol in it, and it's supposed to dehydrate the nails, get all the oils and stuff out of it, suck it out of there. And then the primer, I guess, is basically to help the nails help the gel adhere to the nails or make it last longer, so it has kind of like a sticky substance, if you will, or create probably like a barrier between your natural nails and the gel. So I don't know if it's like a protector or what have you. So yeah, so as you guys know, I'm on my natural nail journey. I'm trying to lay low on the press on nails for a little bit and just have my natural nails grow. I haven't had my natural nails in a long time, so I'm just like, let me just do this, okay? And also cuticle cutters, I don't really recommend them, but if you need to, go ahead. If you have a hangnail, don't pull it, just cut it. Alright, so I'm basically putting on the base gel after I applied the dehydrator and the primer. And after I applied the base gel, I put it in the UV lamp, okay? So after every gel application, I have to cure. That's what you have to do. You have to cure after every layer. And make sure when you are applying the gel, make sure you're not applying on thick layers, because you don't want it to peel or you don't want it to bubble up and stuff like that, okay? So this is I don't know if it's soft champagne or pink champagne, I'm not sure, but it's my first time using this. I purchased this from Amazon, and this is new to my collection along with the Mia Secret. So I applied 2 layers, and to get the opaqueness. So if you just like it, like that, how you see it, but if you want a little bit more color, more opaque, then you apply 2 layers, 3 layers, however you want it, but you don't want to lay it on too thick, because again, like I said, you don't want it to peel or bubble up or mess up or last, it doesn't last as long as you want it to, okay? Alright, so that's just basically it about that. I don't want to talk through the whole video, but I'm basically just going ahead and applying all the layers, and after every application of the gel polish, I do cure. You probably don't see it in every clip of the video because I've cut some stuff out, but you will see it, okay? I'm sorry, but that's what I do, okay? And after I apply everything and everything is cured and everything, I do apply the oil, and I also moisturize my hands. I oil my cuticles and moisturize my hands, and I'm done with my nails. Okay, I'm not sure how long this lasts. I believe I did my nails on the 1st of August, I believe, and today is the 4th. I'm recording the voiceover, but I recorded this on the 1st, the video footage, but the voiceover is today. Okay, so basically this is what it is. Okay, so that's all I did. It's just a basic gel manicure on my natural nails, and I will be doing more videos like this as my nails get longer or get a little bit more length. I'm definitely going to do designs as well. So that's basically it about that. All right, so they are coming along, you know, quickly. You know, I want them to get long, and my nails do get long, so yeah. But that's basically about that. All of the items that I used in the video, I will link it down below, so you guys go check it out. Most of my items are from Amazon, and you guys know I love the Beatles collection. They have an awesome gel collection, and you know, they have the top gel, the base coat and stuff like that, and I also have the matte coat that you can make the gel matte as well. So they have a lot of awesome items, and I really recommend the Beatles gel polish. There's other great polishes out there, but I really like the gel. They're my number one go-to. Okay, I will try other gel polishes, but whatever. But anyway, I'm just going off on a tangent. I digress. But that's basically it about that. All right, you guys, so I'm basically out of here. Oh, make sure when your nails are long enough, the free edge, make sure you cap that off. I believe you saw me do that. You cap that off at the top, so to seal everything in, so the nail polish can last longer. All right, and I'll let you guys know how long the nail polish lasts. It's still on. There's no peeling or anything so far. Everything is so far so good. I wash my hands all the time, and yeah, so that's basically it about that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and enjoy the music, and I hope you enjoy your day or night whenever you're watching this. Have a blessed day, blessed night whenever you're watching this, and see you soon. If you have any requests or anything like that, if you want to see some more nail videos, nail tutorials, I'm trying to keep up with this and trying to do better. Please let me know, and I will update you guys on my nail journey as well. I did record some videos to show my nails, so I'll probably do a nail compilation video soon, so you guys can see that as well. All right, so I'm out of here, you guys. If you have any questions, comment, concerns, please ask. That's more Marketing@gmail.com. Peace. Bye.
let you touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours.